Hey Potter viewers, so today I'm going to be showing y'all my slime machine. And I was just like looking through YouTube, and then I saw this channel called Sarah Tang, and that person uses the same intro as me, and I was the one who used the intro first. So yes, she copied me, and I'm very mad about that. But yep, let's just get on with the video. So today I'm going to be showing y'all my slime machine. So that is how it looks. So there's the front. It has a cake roll squishy button. And the slime activator is contact lens solution and the coin. And here's a coin slot. Here's the side. Here is the back. And here there's a slot where you're supposed to put your mixing spoon. So I'm going to show you how it works. So as you can see, there's nothing in this hole. So what I do is pull the cake roll and push. And as you can see, some things fall down. So here is some... Okay, I don't have any baking soda, but just imagine that inside of this container is baking soda. And then another container falls down. Here is some glue. So you take your mixing spoon, and then you open your baking soda. It will be filled to the brim. And then you put some baking soda into the glue and mix it up. And then once you're done mixing that up, put some slime activator in it and then mix it, and you have your slime. And then you can put your slime back in, and you can dispense it once you want to. And I'm going to show y'all how this works. So basically, there's the contact lens solution. And here's just a barrier, and that's a coin collecting thing. And so example, there's a container here. So you pull the thing, the button, and it would fall down there. And then you can take it with your hands. So this is for, this clear thing is to make sure the cake roll doesn't like go all the way and break. And this is to support it. And the white thing is for when you don't want to reach into the hole, you can just pull the white thing out. Well guys, that was it for this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to become an official Poto. Bye!